Huani hale godeno ganyo pulo kwa YouTube channel pa yimi pie. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't made any video in Korean or haven't made any video about learning Korean language since I was busy with the coronavirus and I was having a baby. So right now I want to get back on track and I want to teach you guys how to speak Korean and how to learn basic Korean language. So if you are here to learn Korean language, you are here on the right place. In this video, I will talk about pronouns in Korean, so you can repeat after me. I am going to read it from left to right. I have the Korean script and I have the pronunciation in Korean as well. So let's start from the left. In English, I or my in Korean is ye, ye, ye. And then for me is ya, ya, ya. For you is ne or na, ne, na. So it's depending on how you use this in the sentence. If you use it in the beginning of the sentence, you will use ne, but if you use you at the end of the sentence, you will use na. I will give you example in my next video how to use these pronouns in the sentence. And then for he, tapokwa, tapokwa. She, tapomu, tapomu. We or us is pe or bwa. If you use we at the beginning of the sentence, then we say pe. For is bwa, bwa. Now let's start with they. They in Korean is awethe, awethe, awethe. This ta'i, ta'i. That tane, tane. My yata, yata, yata. Yours nata, nata. Ours pata, pata. Theirs awethita, awethita. His or hers we can say ata, ata, ata. His or hers, if we can say ata. If we don't want to use the name of the person, we will say ata. If something belongs to someone, we say ata. Or if you want to use a formal one, that would be long. So since this is just to learn how to speak it, I will just go with the informal, which is short version of ata, ata. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with other people. If you want to learn more Korean history and you want to learn more about how to be healthy, also subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a feedback so I can improve and what kind of topic I need to cover in the next video. Thank you very much for watching my video.